is our first Buddha's hand lemon. We've been waiting a full year for one of these. There it is. It's got fingers. Lemon fingers. So these are Mark's cucumbers. It's a wall of pickles. And they're really neat because they have these little like vines. Like pumpkin plants have vines like this where they shoot out, and like once they touch something they wind around it really tight, and then they pull the plant to it like an anchor. And then the plant is able to kind of grow in that direction. A really neat evolutionary thing. And like Mark kind of helped some of these like find where they needed to go, but it's a huge help when you have a trellis that nature's doing some lifting, additional lifting. Nature does lots of the lifting, but yeah, they're like little like spiral toes. Yeah, these. They're like little gripping tendrils. And the cool thing about cucumbers, I guess, is that when the blossom, one of these little yellows, hits and gets pollinated, fertilized, the pickle actually grows behind the blossom, so the blossom kind of like sticks out at the end of the cucumber. Let me see if I can find one of them. Let's see. There's a few. Where did they go? And there's one, like right there. So the flower eventually falls off of the tip of the pickle. And I didn't know that that's how that worked, so that's kind of neat. There's a pickle. Pickle. A pickle plant. Noodles pickle plant. Sophie. Sophie. No.
Get one in there, kitty. You eating my plants?
She's playing with the bubblers.
The
She says-
bubblers are bothering you?
No, they're toys.
Making noise.
She likes water.
Good.
Sophie.
You don't wreck my onions? Is that what you're doing? Yeah. There's still an onion there, or is it gone? Where did it go? There was an onion yesterday. Is something coming in here?